Hi my dear students, welcome to my channel. Find the 11th term from the last term of the AP 10, 7, 4, minus 42. So they have given AP 10, 7, 4, dash 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 minus 62. So in this question we have to find 11th term. 11th term from last 11th term. Here they have given the last term. 11th term we can write it as, that is A11 is equal to question mark. Now find the 11th term from the last term of the AP 10, 7, 4, minus 62 minus 62. 11th term from the last means A11 is equal to question mark. Here they have given a last term. Last term is we can write it as AN as L equal to minus 62. So but the question is 11th term from last. So from last means, so this the last term, that is minus 62, it will become first term. Why it will become first term? Because from the last term we have to find 11th term. So A is equal to minus 62. Now what is the common difference? Generally we find common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. So D is equal to, what is A2 here? 7 minus 10. D is equal to minus 3 you have got. But we are checking from our last term we are finding 11th term. So because of that, so D is equal to 3 we have to take. 3. So we have to find it now. What is A we have got, D we have got. Okay. So from the last term 11th, N is equal to 11. So let us substitute these values in the general form of AP to find the nth term, that is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So what is AN? So that is A11. The 11th term we have to find it. A is minus 62 plus N is 11. Substitute 11 minus 1 into D 3. So A11 is equal to minus 62 plus 10 into 3. A11 is equal to minus 62 plus 10 3s are 30. A11 is equal to minus 32. The 11th term from the last is minus 32. Let us discuss one more concept. A sum of rupees 1000 is invested at 8% simple interest per year. Calculate the interest at the end of each year. Interest at the end of each year we need to calculate. Do these interest form an AP? If so, find interest at the end of the 30 years, making use of this fact they have given. So the sum is what? That is a principal. That is P is equal to 1000. So he has invested 8% simple interest per year. Means rate of interest is 8%. So calculate the interest they are asking. So the simple interest formula we know that that is PTR divided by 100. So now I am going to calculate interest for first year. Interest for first year. So here time is 1 year. So let us substitute simple interest is equal to, so principal is 1000 into time is 1 year, rate of interest is 8 divided by 100. So this 0 cancel, 8 ones are 8, 8 into 10. So you will get rupees 8. Interest for the first year is 80 rupees. Next, interest for second year. Interest for second year. So second year means time is 2 here. So simple interest how to calculate? That is 1000 into 2 into 8 divided by 100. 2 0 T 0 cancel. 8 2 is 16. 16 into 10 you got 160 rupees. Interest for second year. Like this only interest for third year. So time is 3 here. 1000 into 3 into 8 divided by 1000. 2 0 cancel. 8 3s 24 into 10 is rupees 240. So we have got here now interest for first year, interest for second year, interest for third year. Here what they have asked at the end of each year we have calculated. So do these interest form an AP? So these interest it will form an AP or not, we have to check first. So interest for first year how much we got? 80. Second year 160. Third year 240. Like this we will get it. Okay. So now let us check. So these interest it will form an AP or not? So how to check? The D should be constant. Then this interest it will be in AP. Otherwise it is not in AP. Let us check. So this is the first term. This one is second term. This one is third term. So let us calculate D here. D is equal to A2 minus A1. What is A2? 160 minus 80. How much you got? 80. Again D is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A3. The third term is 240 minus 160. How much you will get? 80. So here D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to 80. So the common difference is constant. So what we will write? Therefore, so interest at the end of each year constant. So therefore it forms a AP. Now we have to calculate interest at the end of 30 years. Interest at the end of 30 years. So here N is equal to, what is N? N is equal to 30. What is A? A is equal to 80. And the common difference is also 80. So what is the general form of AP? That is AN is equal to find the nth term. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So substitute the value. A 30 is equal to 80 plus 30 minus 1 into D is 80. A 30 is equal to 80 plus 29 into 80. A 30 is equal to A 30 is equal to 80 plus 29 into 80. We have to multiply. 8 9s are how much? 72. 7. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 7 is 23. Here 0 is there. Write it. So A 30 you will get, when you will add 0, 8 plus 2, 10, 1, 4, 2. So interest at the end of 30 years we get 2400. Let us solve the next question. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, dash 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 is 78? Try to understand the question. Which term they are asking. Which term means n equal to question mark. Which term of this AP is 78? Means 78 is the last term, that's an is equal to 78. So what is A? A is equal to 3. D is equal to A2 minus A1. What is A2? A2 is 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is how much? 5. Substitute in the formula to find the nth term. An is equal to, what is that? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is what? 78. Substitute. A3 plus n, we have to find it, which term they are asking. So write it as it is. D is 5. Okay, so now I am transposing 3 to the LHS. When I transpose, minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. 78, 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5, that is 7. 75 divided by 5 is equal to n minus 1. Divide this one. 5 ones are 5, 2 remaining 25, 5 5s are. So 5 15s are is 75. 15 plus 1, I am transposing minus 1 to the LHS, plus 1 is equal to n is equal to 16. So what we have understood in this? So the 16th term is 78. Let us solve next question. Find the 31st term of the AP. Find the 31st term means A31 is equal to question mark. Find the 31st term of AP whose 11th term. They have given 11th term. 11th term is 38 and the 16th term means A16 is equal to 73. So we have to find 31st term. So how to find the 31st term? We want to find the 31st term. We want first term and the common difference. How to do? So 11th term we will solve it. So 11th term, how can we write? A plus 10D is equal to 38. Give equation number 1. Next 16th term, how can we write? A plus 15D is equal to 73. So this is 11th term, this is 16th term. Okay. So now give equation number 2. Solve for D. I am going to solve for D. So subtract. So when you are subtracting, change the sign, minus, minus and minus. Plus means minus. So A minus A, 0. Minus 15 plus 10 is minus 5D is equal to minus 13 minus 8 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay. So now minus minus cancel. D is equal to 35 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 sevens are. We have got D is equal to 7. Common difference is 7. Now this 7 substitute in any one equation. You can substitute in equation number 1 also, 2 also. So I am going to substitute the value of D in equation 1. When I substitute, you will get A. First write the equation 1. A plus 10D is equal to 38. So A plus 10 into D is what? We have solved D. So 7 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 minus 70. A is equal to, here also 1 plus 1 minus, you need to subtract. Subtract right and bigger number sign. Bigger number sign is minus. 10 minus 8 is 2. Here 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. So A you have got minus 32. So now what we have to find? We have to find the 31st term. We have to find the 31st term. So directly also we can write A31. How can we write? A plus 30 D. Otherwise by using to find the nth term of AP, so AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. By using that also we can solve it. A31 is equal to, what is A? A is minus 32 plus 30 into D is 7. A31 is equal to minus 32 plus 7 3 is how much? 21, then this 0. We have to subtract. A31 is equal to, so 10 minus 2 is what? 8. So here again 10. So 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is what? 10 minus 3 is 7. Then here 1. 178. The 31st term is 178. Let us discuss the next question. An AP consists of 50 terms. So in the AP they have given there are 50 terms, that is A50 is there. A50 terms are there. That there are 50 terms. In which the third term is A3 is equal to 12 they have given, and the last term we can write it as L is equal to AN is equal to 106. Okay, so find the 29th term. What we have to find? We have to find 29th term equal to question mark. Okay, they have given last term is 106, third term is 12, and this AP consists of 50 terms. We have to find A29. For that what we need here? We need A and D to find 29th term. Here the last term is 106, but they are given there are 50 terms, right? So this it will become A50. A50 is equal to 106. We can write it? Yes, we can write. So that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Last term A50 is equal to A we don't know, plus N is what? 50 minus 1 into D. D also we don't know. So A50, the last term they have given. How much it is? 106. Substitute is equal to A plus 50 minus 1, 49 D. We have got. So otherwise you can write it as A plus 49D is equal to 106. This is equation number 1 I give. But they have given A3 means the third term is 12. Third term is 12 means this third term we can write it as A plus 2D is equal to 12. We have got now two equation. Equation number 1, equation number 2. So now let us solve for D by solving equation 1 and 2. I solve here itself. Solve. So when we want to solve for D, so A and A is same, so subtract. Minus, minus and minus. Okay, so 9 minus 2 is 7, then 4, 47 D. So bigger number is positive, is equal to 6 minus 2 is 4. Then 10 minus 1 is 9. D is equal to 94 divided by 47. So 47 ones are 47 twos are. D we have got 2. Now we have got D. So this value of D I am going to substitute in any one equation. So equation 2 is easy. So take it that only. So that is substitute value of D in equation number 2. So I write it A plus 2D is equal to 12. A plus 2 into D is what? 2 is equal to 12. A plus 2 2s are 4 is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 minus 4. A is equal to 8. The first term we have got 8. Now what we have to find it? So we have to find the 29th term. 29th term, how can we write? A29 is equal to A plus 28D. So A29 is equal to A is what? 8 plus 28 into D is 2. A29 is equal to 8 plus multiply. 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. A29 is equal to 6 plus 8, 14, 1, 5 plus 1, 6. That is the 29th term is 64.